So how long does it actually take to learn SEO? A few weeks, a few months, a year? The honest answer is it totally depends on what you're trying to do. You can learn the basics of SEO pretty quickly, but getting good at actually doing SEO takes practice. Because you're not just learning SEO definitions, you're learning how to make decisions for a real website. But here's the really good news. There's a faster way to learn SEO. Not a magic shortcut, not some secret trick. A faster way to learn the right things in the right order, so you don't waste months chasing random SEO advice that doesn't even move the needle. And we'll talk about this faster way a little bit later on in the video. But for now, let's really break down how long it takes to learn SEO and what beginners should focus on first. And in case we haven't met yet, I'm Greg Seacrest, one of the co-founders of BKA Content. And we've helped businesses to get found online for over 17 years using digital marketing and SEO strategy. So the truth is that a lot of people want to learn SEO, but they get overwhelmed really fast. One video that they watch says that keywords matter most, and then another video says that backlinks matter most. And then they circle around to another video that says technical SEO matters the most. And then before you know it, learning SEO seems way bigger than it needs to be. So instead of asking how long does it take to learn SEO, the better question is, what level of SEO do you actually need to learn right now? Because learning how to do SEO to fix your pages on your website is totally different than learning how to be a full-blown SEO strategist. So let's keep this as simple as possible. So most beginners can understand what SEO is in about 1 to 7 days. At that stage, you're learning the basic idea of what SEO even is, which is that search engines find pages, understand what those pages are about, and decide which pages should show based on different searches. In about 2 to 6 weeks, you can actually learn the beginner skills to do SEO. This includes things like keyword research, search intent, title tags, meta descriptions, headings, internal links, and basic content optimization. After that, learning SEO to work on a real website takes about 3 to 6 months. And this is where SEO starts to become much more useful. You're not just watching tutorials, but you're choosing keywords, updating pages, improving content, adding links, and tracking your work to see what sort of impact that you're making. Then from there, building strong SEO judgment skills can take anywhere from 6 to 12 months. And that's when you start understanding the bigger questions like, why isn't this page ranking? Should we update this page or write a new one? Is this a content problem, a technical problem, or a competition problem? That part takes a little bit longer because SEO takes judgment, not just following a checklist. So if you're brand new to SEO, my biggest piece of advice is not to try and learn everything all at once. Start with one page on your website. This could be a blog post, a service page, even your homepage. Then ask yourself a few simple questions. What keyword should this page target? What does the searcher who would be looking for this actually want? Does this page answer that searcher's need clearly? Are the headings on this page easy to follow? Does this page link to any other pages that would be helpful? And am I able to track this page inside of Google Search Console? Those questions lead to a very strong starting point. You don't need to understand every single technical detail to get started. You just need to learn how to improve one page for one clear user intent. And that's where SEO starts to make sense. Learning SEO takes time for two main reasons. First, search engines need time to crawl, index, and rank the changes that you've made. Second is that you need time to learn what works and what doesn't. For example, learning what a title tag is doesn't take very long. But learning how to write a good title tag that'll surface an AI search takes a little bit of practice. Learning what search intent means doesn't take very long. But learning how to tell whether your page truly matches user intent takes practice. And that's why learning SEO can feel slow at first. The basics are simple enough to understand, but the harder part is knowing what matters most for your website. A beginner might ask, did I use the right keyword? But a more experienced SEO would ask, does this page actually give the user what they came here for? And that's the shift. SEO gets easier when you stop chasing every little tactic or trick and start focusing on what the user actually wants. So can you realistically teach yourself SEO? Yeah, you can teach yourself SEO. A lot of business owners, marketers, bloggers, and freelancers have learned SEO through videos like this, guides, courses, and a lot of practice. But learning SEO on your own can get a little messy if you're not careful. There's a ton of SEO advice online, and a lot of it isn't very helpful for beginners. Some advice is just way too advanced. Some advice is completely outdated. And some advice only applies to certain types of websites. And a lot of advice sounds important, but it won't actually make an impact. And that's where people lose a ton of time. They bounce between tactics and tricks and hacks before really learning the foundation. So my advice is to learn how SEO works. Understand keywords and search intent. Optimize one existing page on your website. Write or update helpful content. Add internal links and track what happens. Then make additional improvements based on the data. That repeatable process is way more helpful than chasing every single SEO tactic or trick out there. So earlier in the video, I mentioned that there's actually an easier way and a faster way to learn SEO. And here's what I mean by that. The faster way is not skipping the work of learning. The faster way is getting guidance from people who can show you what matters first. Most beginners waste time learning because they don't know where to start first. For example, they spend hours learning advanced SEO tools before they even truly understand what search intent means. They worry about tiny technical details like schema and meta descriptions before focusing on making sure that their homepage and service pages are clear to the users that are reading them. They spend time writing new blog posts instead of focusing on pages that just need a refresh for a huge impact. The point is that they learn a little bit from lots of different places, but they just don't have a clear path of how to put it all together. And that's exactly why we built our SEO and Digital Marketing Academy on School. It's the beginner-friendly place to learn how to get your business found on Google, AI search, and local search without feeling overwhelmed. Inside the community, you can learn from people who work on SEO content, strategy, local SEO, and digital marketing every single day. Joining our school helps you to fast-track your SEO learning because you're not guessing what to study next. You can learn what matters, you can ask questions, get support, and have access to courses that show you exactly what matters when it comes to learning SEO. Now, just like anything else, you still have to practice to get good at it. But having expert guidance can save you a ton of time because you can avoid the things that really don't matter when it comes to SEO. So click the link below to join our school community and fast track your SEO learning so that you can get better results faster. And if you want to learn more about what's working right now when it comes to digital marketing in the world of AI search, then click this video. In this video, we go over the top 5 trends that are working in AI search right now. So click this video and we'll see you over there.